So hello student, in previous video we had studied about substitution method, elimination method, and we have seen the conditions for the graphical method. And now I am taking one example. First equation is x plus 2y is equal to 6, and the second one is, this is the first equation and this is second, that is 2x plus y equal to 4, and we have to solve these equations with the help of graphical method. So now for solving this, you take one example. Suppose we are finding out for the first equation, that is from equation first, x plus 2y is equal to 6. So 2y is equal to 6 minus x, y is equal to 6 minus x upon 2. This will be our equation third, as we were doing in substitution method. Now we have to make one table. This is x and this is y. We have to take value of x and we have to put the value of x in equation third, then we will be getting value of y. So suppose I am taking minus 1, 0 and 1, and we have to solve and we have to show also. So for x equal to minus 1, y will be, suppose I am putting minus 1 here, 6 minus 1 plus will be 7 by 2, that is 3.5. So this is coming 3.5. Now for x equal to 0, I am writing it here. X is equal to 0. For x equal to 0, y will be, look at here, 6 minus 0 will be 6. So 6 divided by 2 is what? 3. And for x equal to 1, y will be, you can see, 6 minus 1, 5, 5 by 2, that will be 2.5. This is the first equation case. Now we have to do same thing for the equation second, that is 2x plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 minus 2x. This will be your fourth equation, suppose, because third we have already taken. So in this, again for the second equation we have to make one table. X, y, this is minus 1, 0, 1. No need of taking minus 1, 0, 1. You can take any value. I am taking one negative value, 1, 0 and 1, because 0 makes calculation easy. So now for x equal to minus 1, y will be, look at here, 4 minus 2 into minus 1 will be, then this will be 4 plus 2, that is 6. This is coming 6. And now for x equal to 0, y will be 4, because 2 into 0 will be 0 and 4 minus 0 is what? 4. So this will be 4. And now for x equal to 1, y will be 2 into 1, 2, 4 minus 2 will be 2. Already you can see 6, 4, 2, it is decreasing by 2, and here 3.5, 3, 2.5, here it was decreasing by 0.5. Now we have to plot the graph. So firstly we are doing for the first equation. When x is minus 1, y is 3.5. When x is minus 1, y is 3.5, somewhere here. This is the point. I am writing here minus 1 comma 3.5, because as you know in previous classes we have studied that we have to write the coordinate as in form of x comma y. Now the second value, when x equal to 0, y is 3. So this x equal to 0, y is 3, 0, 3. And when x is equal to 1, y is 2.5. When x is equal to 1, y is 2.5. 1, 2.5. So join all these 3 points very carefully, and this is for equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. Now similarly we have to plot the graph for the second equation. If x is equal to minus 1, y is 6, we are not having 6, let it go, no problem. Y is equal to 0, x equal to 0, y is equal to 4. x0, y 4. here. Suppose this is 0, 4. Now if x equal to 1, y is equal to 2. If x equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Somewhere here 0, 2. Now join these 2 points and this is the equation of 2x plus y is equal to 4. Now you can see where both are intersecting. From there you have to draw perpendicular to the y-axis for value of y, and you can draw perpendicular to the x-axis at the point of intersecting points. You will get the value of x. Here I have made freehand diagram, so your value may differ. When you will try at graph paper, you will get the accurate value of x and y. I hope you understand. You can solve many questions because it needs practice. So, and in the next video we will discuss about the cross multiplication method, and if you have any doubt related to this graphical method, you can post your comment. Thank you.